Hello, my name is Nina Katie and I am an interior designer and a Chinese master trained authentic feng shui consultant, and I take the energies of people and of buildings and I match the two together so that they can work in harmony. So in other words, all of the buildings that you live and work in need to support you and your life and give you the chance to live your best life. I run workshops, I also run a makeover service, and everything I do is based on trust and transformation. I'd love to hear from you. If you would like to attend one of our workshops, please contact me. If you'd like to visit my website for more information, visit ninakatie.ie, and you can email me at info@ninakatie.ie. So people can expect to have a really fun and exciting day on the workshops. The first session or the first part of the workshop is always based in and around your feng shui horoscope. So this is not about Chinese horoscopes necessarily, it's actually about feng shui horoscopes. It's also based entirely on authentic feng shui, which is nothing like the hocus pocus or westernized versions of feng shui that you find on the internet or in books. This is very much the real thing, and it's very serious, and it does have a very big consequence on our lives and on the people that we love. So it's all about creating health, because that's your wealth, very much about family harmony and about relationships. And lastly, we worry then about finances and all of the ways that we can make the most of our fortunate blessings. So come along and have an exciting time for the first part of the session and see what you think of it. It's very, very accurate and a lot of fun. And then in the afternoon session or in the second day of the workshop, depending on the type of workshop that you attend, we cover all of the aspects of the home, where you can learn everything about how to set up the home the right way for you to live a happy, healthy, wealthy life.